He burned up all of the firewood.
Oh, I can help you get some more later if you'd like.
He took all of my firewood and burned it. We have fire and water and everything in between. Ammunition, clothing.
And now you got some more
Seems
wood.
like a very noble old man.
Hey, fireman,
Yes,
what's your name? Not that fireman,
My
this
name-
fireman. The real
Hey,
fireman.
what's
Jimmy Bird.
You talking about
Jimmy
me,
Bird.
boy?
Alright,
Well.
thank you, I was just wondering.
Of course. I heard a tree fall down.
Yeah, I just chopped one down for you.
Thank you very much, young man. I appreciate it. We were trying to track you down. We heard a single shot, and then nothing else.
I still can't believe the ghillie suit guy turned on you.
He did.
I think you might have him confused with the guy I was with. Do you recall?
Unfortunately, I never saw the man who shot me. I only saw the dead body of the other accomplice. And I heard another shot. I can only assume that it was him. I noticed you're burning all my wood.
Wasn't me.
Who the fuck's burning all my goddamn wood?
Holy shit. Is someone fucking with the fucking firemaster right now? I'm gonna lose my fucking mind.
Look at this! Where's all my fucking wood go?
I don't fucking know, man. We're gonna find whoever did this. We're gonna
Who
find
made all these fucking campfires?
You should have been AFK, you should have been watching.
It's this one! This is the fucker up here! He did it last time! Fuck him! Fuck him up!
Listen, firemaster, it'll be dealt with. Just... We'll get you some more wood. Do you need a knack?
You fucking
Oh,
fuck!
there it goes. I'm waiting for it. Release
What?
it.
You did
I know
it
you got
last
the
time!
N-word.
You did it last
know you
time
got
and you're
it
gonna do it
hidden in your
again!
cards.
You just fucking
No.
did it! And nobody was paying attention!
That's what
and
they
that's
all
why you
say.
fucking did it!
I
You're
don't
wearing the
do
same
things like
stupid
that.
fucking shirt!
I came here to sell guns. This is
Fuck
my
you.
mom bought me
Fuck
this
you and
shirt
get out
at
of my
the
fucking
Goodwill.
You
face.
came
no,
to sell
you
guns
fuck-
and fuck up fireplaces of honest
No,
men.
I
You're a
didn't
piece
do
of
that.
shit. You're
That's
a
a lie.
real piece of shit.
You just believe in him.
You fucked up bad. You don't ever fuck with him, you don't fuck with Klen, you don't fuck with anybody here. What do you think this is? Coming in here with no fucking stuff and a shovel? You think you're hot shit?
You can
You
blow
don't
me.
run this fucking place. Yeah, blow me, motherfucker. You don't run this place.
Yo, you can
fuck
catch
with
me
fire-
outside if you really got a problem.
You really, you want smoke? You want smoke?
Yeah, let's get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a nice gun. Go take it outside and put a bullet in his brain.
You serious?
Well, if I give you a gun, you damn well better go kill
Yeah,
him.
I'm going out there.
Fuck with my fucking fire.
Stay right there. Take it. I'm gonna take it. Now go put a bullet in his fucking head outside. I got you a brand new pristine pistol. so you could take your frustrations out on him, and you're not gonna do it?
All right.
That's some fucked up
What are we
shit.
doing? What's going on here?
Dude, I gave this guy a pistol on the condition that he shoots the other guy in the fucking head, but he won't do it.
Who's the other guy?
The guy that was yelling at him, he just walked away.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Okay.
I'm ready to fight.
I don't think he's gonna
All right.
fight you, man.
Why not? Is he pussy?
Well, I
Did you
just
take
bought
your
him.
gun for no
I bought him a gun.
reason? Yeah. Why weren't you listening to me? I told you this is the kind of guy who just ruins his fires. He's gonna take your gun, not give a
You
shit.
called him Shovel Boy, so now he has a gun. But even with the gun,
Yeah, now he's got a gun and he took it from you, and he's not gonna give it back, and he's not
Okay,
gonna
listen,
fight
listen.
you.
So, Fire Master, who was it?
It was the man in the beige shirt. I've told you this already.
You know this for a fact.
I know this for a fact. I fucking watched you.
You son of a
I just
bitch.
came
See,
back.
I fucking knew it. I fucking.
Then he
I don't
proceeded to
care.
teabag and spin in place.
Come on, let's go.
come on.
Hold on, I got the mags to load so I can put him in.
Oh my god, let's go. Come on, you were just saying, I'm ready to fight. Let's go. I'm ready to fight. Come on, bro.
Straight down the hill, bud. Let's.
Come on, let's go.
You guys got a whole 4-man going? Oh my god.
It's just me and you. Just me and you.
Nah, y'all
Oh.
trying to fuck me.
Is
So,
No,
this-
everybody
keep
knows it's
these
just me
people
and
up
you.
here.
You gotta
Nah,
walk.
this
No,
dude
no,
was
no,
walk
they're
all
not,
right
they're
trying
not
to go
coming
after
for the
me.
fight. Let's go. You and me. See me walking backwards? Come on. You want smoke or not? It's you and me.
No, he knows you want that smoke, bro. He already asked for it.
So y'all stay here.
I'm gonna chop you up and eat you when you're dead.
It's just me and you, bro. Don't worry. They're not gonna shoot you. Come on. Go, 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 go. Go, go. We got a 30-second timer when we get down that hill, and that's when we're gonna do the little walk and square up. Hurry up. Come on. Come on.
Where the fuck is he?
My boy just put him down. It's already all settled.
Well done,
We
everyone.
defended
Back
your
to
honor.
your business.
We defended your
Thank
honor,
you.
Fire Tech.
Very well done.
Some of your logs are in his backpack. Did you see that?
Matter of fact, where's his body? I want to eat him. On his fucking neck.
It's cook up his tenderloins. It's down the hill. I didn't think to cut him up.
I think he
Here.
likes dog
Seems
meat.
like a big run.
I'll give you a trophy. Come here. See that?
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Make sure you got that in
that.
your hands next time you see him.
Absolutely.